Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. We finally made it to the end of our series on numbers. Now that we have learned signs associated with numbers, let's learn how we can go even further incorporating numbers into signs. Like seriously, what I'm about to teach you will open up your signing skills with just one simple rule. If this interests you, then so will our other content. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So let's learn how to sign everything to do with numbers in ASL. So, how do we incorporate numbers into signs in ASL? This is called the rule of 9. It's literally using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 incorporated into a sign. These signs include money, age, time, seconds, minute, hour, day, week, month, and year. How do we incorporate these numbers into the signs themselves? Well, for money, you have what's called the dollar twist. The dollar twist looks like this: $1, $2, $3, $4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for the numbers 10 and up, you do $10, $11, $26, $32, $100. Now, what if we're going to talk about cents? In cents, you have the cent spot up here. You would just do 1 cent, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then after that, you're going to do index 10 cents, index 50 cents, index 75. That index finger is showing a cents, and then you do the number after it. Let's say we have $7.50. $7.50. Now let's look how we incorporate numbers into age. We have 1 year old, 2 years old, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then 10 and above, age 10, age 15, age 50. As you can see, the number is incorporated in the sign for numbers 1 through 9. But then 10 and up, you do the sign age and then the number. Now let's look at time. Time comes off of your wrist as in your watch. So you would have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But for 10, 11, and 12 o'clock, you would do time 10, time 11, time 12. To incorporate time with the hour and the minutes, you just sign 5:30, 7:15, 9:45. Now, in ASL, they don't use military time. Say, for instance, you need to show the difference between meeting somebody in the morning or the evening. All you need to do is morning, 7 o'clock versus night, 7 o'clock. Now let's look at the sign seconds. As you saw before, we do seconds with just a little flick. Whenever we sign seconds incorporated in the rule of 9, we just do 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if we need to go above that, 10 seconds, 11 seconds. Let's look at the sign minutes. This is the base sign for minutes. But whenever we're doing 1 through 9 incorporated into minutes, it goes like this: 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10 and above is signed like this: 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 50 minutes, 65 minutes. Now to sign hours. Your hand is like a clock, And when the number goes around, it makes the hour. So you just sign 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. So how do you incorporate days? Well, this is the sign for days with the letter D. But if you do this, 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, you guessed it, you sign 10 and above, 10 days, 15 days, 44 days. To sign the word weeks, you just incorporate the word week. Think of it like going across the week on a calendar. So you would just sign 1 week, 2 weeks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you would sign 10 weeks, 20 weeks, 40 weeks, and go on from there. For months, you're going to do the same thing. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, from 10 and above, you just go 10 months, 12 months, 24 months, and move on from there. Last, we have the sign year. The sign year is just like this. It's like the sun with the earth rotating around it. So, you would just do 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. As you can see, there are many signs that incorporate this rule of 9. Whenever you're doing it, just make sure you feel comfortable with signing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then you incorporate it into the sign itself. Now, let's put some of these rule of 9 signs into sentences. My daughter is 7 years old, and my son is 5. My daughter, 7. My son, 5. And notice I put my daughter and then my son separate from each other because I'm talking about 2 different things. That's what we call shoulder shifting when we're using and, but, or. How about the 2 of us meet at 5:30? 2 of us meeting 5:30. The hamburger is $7. Hamburger cost $7. I'm going on a 2-week vacation to Hawaii. Hawaii vacation, stay 2 weeks. Way to go! You just completed our entire lesson on numbers. Now, if you missed one, don't worry. We've got you covered. Check out our previous videos down in the description. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.